Hi, this is Dr. Saxena, and let me talk about. We have been discussing on what exactly are the areas where we can, by trying to control that, we can change our health outcomes. And this is one thing in this series where I'm just talking about some of the nasty things. And coming to this today, what I'm going to talk is about something like dioxin. Dioxin is basically a toxic constituent of the herbicide 2,4,5-T. Basically, this is called TCDD. Dioxin is this is one of the herbicide which is routinely used, and exposure of this dioxin can cause some types of cancer. What happens here is, if I would like to go into detail, because this dioxin competes with the estrogens for the attachment of aryl hydrocarbon receptor located in certain cells. After dioxin is attached to this aryl hydrocarbon receptor, it is transported to the DNA of the cells, where it binds to the cellular proteins for the activation of the genes which promotes the cancer. Yes, it increases the risk of breast cancer, it increases the risk of prostate cancer. These two particular things. Why I have been always vocal on this particular stuff is, I do believe this is the dioxin is such a simple and nasty thing. It is simply released into the air when the plastic is burned. Okay, this is one of the important things. It interferes with the dioxin causes depletion of vitamin A in the liver, and vitamin A is a process kind of which is a good vitamin. If you have good levels of vitamin, you are really protected from a lot of problems basically. So let us see what are the sources. I have already told you, burning plastic causes dioxins. Dioxin is present in many of the processed foods. Fried chicken has been detected. Dioxin has been detected in the fried chickens. Whatever you name, KFC or whatever stuffs and all that. Hamburgers do have got that. You have got ice cream. Ice cream has got some dioxins. So my take is, these are the few. This is one of the stuffs where we need to be very careful, because it has already got into our system. We are breathing dioxin and we are eating dioxin also. So what are the substances which I try to work with? What are the foods which can help excretion of the dioxin? The food which helps in excretion of dioxin is the simplest chlorella. Chlorella facilitates the excretion of dioxin from the body tissues, and absorption also. It inhibits the absorption basically. So very simple stuff, and I try to work on some vitamins and all that, try to work with some curcumin and all that, based on what is the kind of exposure. If I'm seeing a patient who has got he talks about has got this dioxin exposure, and we believe we try working at that level. And I can always tell you, this is one of the biggest things where you can always prevent and reverse the disease, and see that you remove that disc from that ease basically. Thank you.